Sir, I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and Terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Rena. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, "I'll be in touch soon."
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try. Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness. But that guy, he's got something broke inside.
Let's get down to business.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nephor 2.
I've run a few tests on the Terrazine gas like you asked. It's clearly related to Vespene gas, but there are some very exotic organics added into the mix.
Any guesses what it's used for?
Well, it would definitely affect brain chemistry, so it could be used as some kind of drug or stimulant, I suppose.
Drugs, huh? That's just wonderful. What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these specters, it's clear Mengsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
My people established a new colony on Haven. It was going well, but now the colony's gone dark. They're not responding on any frequency. We need to get there and see what the situation is. They might have been exposed to the Zerg virus, and they are on the verge of Protoss space. Jim, I'm worried that something has gone very wrong.
We're almost to Haven, but there's still been no contact from... Sir, there's a Protoss fleet holding in orbit. They're disrupting all communications to the surface, and it looks like they're powering up their main weapons.
Jim, you have to stop this.
Matt, open a channel to the Protoss. Let's see how diplomatic they're feeling.
Intaro Tassadar, James Raynor. I am Executor Celendis. Your bravery and service to Ire are known to us.
Intaro Tassadar, Celendis. Listen, with all due respect, your fleet needs to pull back. The people on Haven are no threat to you.
Our observers detected Zerg hive spores infesting the colonists. They must be purified. If you wish to undertake this mission in our stead, we will permit it.
Jim, some of my people are infested. But you can't let the Protoss just destroy them all. If you keep the Protoss at bay, I know I can find a cure for the infestation.
The only cure for Zerg infestation is purification by fire. You know this to be true, James Raynor.
I can cure them, Jim. Believe me.
If you choose to resist us, we will meet in glorious combat. The choice is yours, James Raynor. We await your answer.
I ain't gonna stand by while you wipe out a whole colony, Celendis. Not while there's still a chance we can save them.
Then it shall be an honor to meet you on the field of battle. Your reputation as a commander is most impressive. I trust you will live up to it.
Thank you, Jim. Thank you so much. Whatever's happening on Haven, my people don't deserve to be wiped out. We'll make this right. I'll find a cure. Jim, the Protoss are already closing in on the colony. My people don't stand a chance.
We're gonna have to stop that purifier of theirs before it can wipe the whole place out. Get everyone evacuated to the main base, Ariel. If the purifier gets that far, we're done. Or at least we can count on them being methodical. They'll stop to burn every settlement along the way.
You sure know how to pick a fight, cowboy. I got something that'll help you. I called in some favors and got us Viking schematics. Remember, they can change from a jet into a combat walker and back again. Pretty nifty stuff.
Jim, the Purifier's drawing power from several Protoss nexus. Its shields are completely impenetrable. How can you stop something like that?
Easy. We knock out those Nexi first, then we take down the Purifier. Don't worry, Ariel. We'll stop them.
Big job!
I've located the Protoss nexuses that are channeling power to the Purifier's shields. We'll have to destroy them before we can stop the Purifier.
SCV ready.
Some of the colonists didn't make it to our base in time. We should be ready to assist them when the Protoss attack.
Right. SCV ready. Made for battle. All right. SCV ready. Let's get into the fight. SCV ready. Transformation systems primed. In the rear with the gear.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Sir, the Purifier has arrived and is on the move.
SCV ready.
Ready for war?
That's one Nexus down. Keep at it, boys. We gotta stop that ship.
Go ahead. Move it. Sure thing.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Ready to plunder.
The Purifier's coming into range of a colony base.
Yes, sir.
Let's get into the fight.
Need some triage?
This better be good.
You rang.
Want some?
Standing by.
You gonna give me orders? Sure. Aye, aye.
Transformation systems prime.
Go ahead.
Let's get into the fight.
Big job, armed and ready.
Ready to plunder.
Who wants some?
Is it critical? Not a problem.
Fighter. Made for battle.
Sir, I'm detecting a massive energy spike. The Purifier is about to fire.
Gangway. Coming.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Fighter.
Commander, a Protoss squadron is going after the colony ships.
This better be
Those people don't stand a chance unless we stop it.
Ready to plunder. You ready? Let's get into the fight. No one lives forever.
Who wants some?
Agreed.
Thanks, Raiders. We're getting out of here.
Go, go, go!
The colonists have evacuated the first settlement in the Purifier's path. The colonists left some resources behind after they evacuated. We should pick them up.
Ready to plunder. Big job, huh?
Not enough minerals. Upgrade complete.
In the rear with the gear. Gotcha. Go ahead. You ready for war? Made for battle.
Base is under attack.
Ready to plunder. Ready to plunder. We hear you. Transformation system. Fight or flight.
Upgrade
Yeah,
complete.
right. All right.
Need some triage?
Big job, huh? Agreed. Ready to plunder. Victory. Inbound. Ready to plunder. Yes, indeed. Bold. Certainly. Very well. All right.
The Protoss have arrived at another settlement, sir.
Yeah, right. Made for battle. Victory. You ready for war?
Another Nexus gone. Great work. Don't give them a chance to regroup.
Transformation systems primed. Let's get into the fight. Yes, indeed. All right. Ha-ha! I like it. Agreed. Transfer... Go ahead.
Upgrade complete.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Ready to plunder. Bad news? Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder.
Energy output is peaking. The Protoss are going to destroy the second colony base.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Ready to plunder.
Protoss squadron detected approaching colonist settlement.
Inbound. No one lives forever.
That was a close one. Thanks.
Colonists have successfully evacuated that settlement.
Ready to plunder. Very well. Certainly. You ready for war? Victory. Inbound. Agreed. All right. No one lives forever. Transformation systems primed. Yes, indeed. Made for battle. Fortune.
Purifier shields are offline, sir. Hit it now.
Transformation systems primed. All right.
They've almost reached the next base. Hurry!
Ready for war?
The Protoss are retreating! You've done it!
You are as cunning as the stories say, James Raynor. I hope your belief in these colonists will be vindicated.